If you guys saw my post, you guys probably already saw a little bit of a sneak peek of what is behind me. Although I didn't leave you very many clues. So anyway, it was a gift. It was a surprise. I had absolutely no idea that he was doing it. But the boyfriend got me a track bike. He knows I've been wanting to do track. So anyways, here it is. Dun dun dun. So it's a 2007 GSXR 600. As you can see here, it's already been like suited and fitted for the track. It's actually a salvage title. A couple of issues with it that are being worked out right now, and hopefully those will get worked out very soon. And hopefully I will make it to some track days this year. So I'm very excited about that. I guess watch out for those this summer. There should definitely be some track videos coming your way. Obviously I still have the Gixxer. You can see it over there. Shit, how many miles are on it? I want to say somewhere around 20,000 miles on it. Let's come show you. Let's see. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah, obviously I can't ride it right now. You see what it looks like outside. It is freezing cold. It is snowy. To say, I don't know. I'm excited. I've been wanting to do a track day for a while. Actually like the last couple of years. So I'm actually really excited. Oh, it's hilarious. Every single thing on it is fucking zip tied. There's no balls. They're zip tied, everything. Why? Anybody know? Like, even this one. Zip tie. Zip tie. Oh, and the best one? Oh, he already took it out. Because this one was a zip tie. So anyways, let's talk about the Supermoto. Okay, so I've gotten a few messages as well, a few comments of people going, oh yay, sweet, E, you got a dirt bike, which, don't get me wrong, yes, technically it is. I already own two dirt bikes, and I guess you guys are unaware. So this would be, I guess you could call it dirt bike number 3, but it's going to be a Supermoto. We're going to see how that goes. This has been here for a hot minute now. It required a lot of work. We bought the frame and then went to a whole nother state to buy the engine. So there were two completely different pieces, and the engine had to be completely rebuilt and obviously installed on the bike. So that has been very interesting and a feat all of its own. However, it is currently doing well. It's up and running. As of right now, I don't really want anybody to get confused, but as of right now, it is just a pit stop in my motorcycling journey. How long will I keep the Supermoto? I don't know. How much will I actually end up riding it? You know, to be honest, I really don't know that right now either. I've ridden one before, not very many times. I mean, actually, I have ridden this exact one. We know the guy that it used to belong to, and he sold it to someone, got the engine stolen out of it while in his possession. I guess he couldn't find another engine or something, blah, 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 all this other crap. And that all took place like a year ago, and this frame's been sitting there. We sourced out an engine from a completely different state and installed it. So this bike has definitely been through the ringer. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but we'll give you guys just a quick little look. So anyways, like I was saying, we used to know the guy that this belonged to, and I rode it once in a subdivision. And there's actually a video of that on my page. And then I got to ride B-Rad's Supermoto earlier this year. I mean, I'm totally willing to give it a shot. So we did. We picked one up. I'll be doing a few things with this year. I'll definitely be doing a few things with the track this year. So I have a small feeling the Gixxer might get a little neglected this year. But we'll have to try to see what we can do to keep that from happening. I don't want it getting jealous. But I will include at the end of this a link to the video of me riding this. It's had a lot of work. It's had a long life. It's a 2002 WR 450. So I don't know. We'll see. And I can't wait to do track days.